To launch the FallTrack 2 balance software, select Start, All Programs, FallTrack 2, FallTrack 2. If the software has yet to be registered, the Register FallTrack window will appear. In the upper right-hand corner, select Register. Your FallTrack 2 serial number is located on the underside of the board on a white label after the letters SN. Complete the rest of the fields as they appear. Select Print in the upper right-hand corner to print the application. On the bottom of the application will be a fax number. Fax the application to that number. Upon receipt, an activation number will be generated and sent back to you. When you receive it, enter it on the Register FallTrack 2 window in the blank field and click OK. If you see this message, FallTrack 2 in demo mode, it means the software is not looking at your balance board. Select OK. In the upper right-hand corner, select File, Preferences. I want to test the volume on the Camtasia software.